Echoes of passion. In the heart of a bustling city, nestled between towering skyscrapers, lived a woman named Clara. By day, she was an accomplished architect, her designs shaping the skyline. But at twilight, when the world dimmed and the city lights flickered to life, Clara transformed. She immersed herself in her true passion, pottery. Every evening, she retreated to her cozy studio, a sanctuary adorned with bags of clay and shelves of vibrant glazes. The moment her hands touched the cool, damp earth, a sense of tranquility enveloped her. The wheel spun, and she felt an exhilarating connection to a tradition that spanned millennia. Each piece she crafted was a reflection of her innermost thoughts, some whimsical, others profound, but all imbued with her essence. One fateful night, as she shaped a delicate vase, she discovered a crack in the clay. Instead of discarding it, Clara let her creativity flourish. She adorned the imperfection with intricate designs, transforming a flaw into a focal point. Inspired, she named the piece Embrace of Imperfection, a testament to the beauty in life's unpredictability. As Clara exhibited her work at a local gallery, visitors were drawn to her unique perspective. They marveled at how a simple hobby had transcended into a profound exploration of identity and resilience. In that moment, Clara realized that while her architectural feats contributed to the city's landscape, it was her pottery that revealed the depth of her soul. A reminder that true passion knows no bounds, and every hobby has the potential to shape not only our world, but also our very selves.